Hey, writers, welcome back to today's lesson. I hope you all had a wonderful long weekend and hope you enjoyed um, Monday. And I hope y'all are staying warm. Today is February 16th, 2021. So let's get started. So, for the past 2 weeks, we've been writing our personal narratives. We went through the pre writing step, which is step one of the writing process. We started drafting last week, so we did the beginning, middle, and end of our draft. And today, we are starting step three of the writing process. We are starting revising. Now, in the revising, this is where you're going to make your writing better. You are thinking about your word choice, your details, the organization. This is where you can add sentences, maybe get rid of some sentences and or rearrange some sentences. So let's see what we will be specifically working on today. So let's read this together on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. We will be able to revise our drafts using the show, don't tell strategy. So we are going to revise, and we are specifically using the show, don't tell strategy. Now, I want you to look at these two sentences. When I read these two sentences, I want you to think which sentence is better, and then why do you think so? So, which sentence is better and why you think so? Sentence 1 reads, I got soaking wet. Sentence 2 reads, my hair was dripping with water and my clothes were soaking and sticking to my body. Which sentence do you think is better? If you said sentence number 2, you are correct. In the first sentence, I am just telling you what happened. I am just sharing that I got soaking wet. But in sentence 2, I'm showing you by using details. So I am saying my hair is dripping with water, my clothes are soaking and sticking to my body. So I am showing you in sentence 2, which is what we want to do today. So now I'm going to have the opportunity to model for you. I am going to model you using the show, don't tell strategy. So today we're going to be focusing specifically on our feelings. So, like if we're happy, if we're sad, angry, excited, and so on and so forth. So, in a telling sentence, just tells the reader exactly how you're feeling. Like, I am happy, I am sad, I'm excited, and so on and so forth. Those are what a telling sentence is. A showing sentence describes what that what that feeling looks and sounds like. So, what does it look like when you're happy? What does it look like when you're sad? What does it look like when you're angry, upset, excited? So, we have an example here. I was happy. That is a telling sentence. We want to make this sentence into a showing. We want to describe what it looks like and sounds like. So, I want you to think for a moment. What does it look like when you or someone else is happy? Well, I know there's a smile on your face, maybe some wide eyes, maybe you're jumping up and down, your heart is beating fast, or you're waving your hands. These are all ways to show that someone is happy. Now, I want to make a sentence that describes this feeling of what it looks and sounds like. So instead of just saying, I was happy, I want to find a way to show what it looks like. I'm going to use some of these descriptions of what a happy sounds and looks like in my sentence. So instead of saying I was happy, I could say I jumped up and down with a huge smile on your face. When I say that, I jumped up and down with a huge smile on your face, what does that make you think of? It makes you think of you being happy. Exactly. So And you can actually visualize it with your mind. I jump up and down with a huge smile on your face. You can actually picture a person or yourself physically jumping up and down, and you have a big smile on your face because you are super happy. So, writers, this is what we're going to do today. Instead of just sharing with me that you're excited, you're happy, I want you to share what it sounds and what it looks like to be happy. In the next video, we are going to have a chance to look at my writing and find places where I can use the show, don't tell strategy. I'll see you in the next video.